Hey guys, it's Istebrak. So I wanted to show you guys what PortraitStudio can do before the sale starts tomorrow. The sale will run for 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks. This is a piece I did a couple critique hours ago, and it had a lot of anatomy mistakes. Like, the anatomy mistakes were through the roof, the head was disjointed, the body was twisted weird, and there was no symmetry in the spine. You could spend all day guessing at what the anatomy should look like, or you could just literally build a customized model for your illustration. I mean, there's nothing that beats that. There's nothing that's better than that or more efficient than that, and that's the power of PortraitStudio. And then I brought all of that back to my canvas. I started basically doing surgery, as I say, from the head down, started fixing and cleaning everything up. I cleaned up the light environment in the back, I added some rim light, and I made sure that everything felt realistic but also maintained the style. I think it has a better light environment, it's a lot more dynamic, and it's definitely reading as a pinup now, and the before was very stale, and now it's a lot more active and cinematic. PortraitStudio is going to be on sale tomorrow for at least 2 weeks at 55% off, so please head over to my store. I hope PortraitStudio helps you with your paintings. I hope it takes your illustrations to the next level. Referencing is power. Remember that, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye!